Hi, I'm Advaitanish. Today we are going to make a wheel spin in our WiinBoard. Okay, so the components we need for this project are a WiinBoard, a battery case, 4 AA batteries, a wheel and a jumper wire. Okay, so first of all let's take our battery case and we can remove our lid. So now let's add our batteries into our battery case. Okay, so as you can see our batteries are in our battery case. So now we can close our battery case lid and now okay, so in the WiinBoard as you can see there are 2 inbuilt motors here. So for today's project we are going to make the left motor spin. So this is the left motor and in the left motor there are 2 wires coming out of it and the end of the 2 wires are these 2 ends. So here in the WiinBoard it is written left motor here. Okay, so now let's take these 2 wires and we can connect it here like that. Okay, so now let's take our battery case and here in the WiinBoard it is written power, VCC and GND. So VCC is the positive terminal of the battery and GND is the negative terminal. So let's take these 2 wires of our battery and we can connect it over here like this. So now in the battery case there is a on-off switch. So let's make this on, and like that in the WiinBoard there is an on-off switch here too. So let's make it on, and as you can see LED is glowing here. So that means our WiinBoard is getting current from the batteries that we have connected right now. Okay, so now let's take our wheels and we can connect it to our motor like that. Okay, so here it is written VCC slash positive. So let's add a jumper wire to that, and here it is written LM1 and LM2. LM1 means left motor 1 and LM2 means left motor 2. So if we connect this end of the jumper wire into LM1, then our left motor will spin forwards, and if we connect it into LM2, then our left motor will spin backwards. Okay, so for now I will put it into LM1. So now as you can see our motor is spinning and our wheel is spinning too. Like this, as you can see our wheel is spinning forwards, and if I put it into LM2, as you can see our wheel is spinning backwards. So as you can see our wheel and the motor is working perfectly fine. So that's how I made a wheel spin in our WiinBoard. Thank you.